Hey guys! Today I'll show you how you can make hover animation in Webflow, so let's get started. If you've ever seen those websites where simply hovering over a tab instantly switches the content like background videos or images, this effect is actually super easy to recreate in Webflow. Let's begin with a basic tab structure. In this example, we already have 3 tabs inside a tab menu, each with its own content. Right now, if you preview the project, you'll notice that Webflow only switches tabs when you click on them, not when you hover. To change this behavior, all you need is one small line of custom code. Add an embed element anywhere inside your project where the tab component exists. Inside that embed, paste a short script that targets Webflow's built-in tab link class and tells the browser. Whenever the mouse hovers over a tab, trigger a click event automatically. After saving the embed, the effect won't work in Webflow's preview mode. But once you publish the site, hover functionality will work instantly. When you test it on the live site, you'll see that each time your mouse glides over a tab, the content switches automatically. And the best part? If you hover over a tab and then move your mouse away, the active tab stays locked just like the example website. This little trick is incredibly useful for interactive menus, galleries, comparison sections, and any design where smooth, fast switching feels more intuitive than clicking. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.